In the first part, we explored how olive oil supports heart health and digestion. Now let's look deeper at how olive oil helps maintain balance inside the body over time. One important benefit of olive oil is its role in supporting brain health. The healthy fats in olive oil help nourish brain cells and support cognitive function. Stable fat intake can help maintain focus and clarity, especially during long days. Olive oil also plays a role in supporting blood sugar balance. When used with meals, healthy fats can help slow digestion, creating a more stable glucose response. This can help reduce sudden energy drops and unnecessary cravings. Another quiet benefit of olive oil is its connection to longevity. It is a key part of the Mediterranean diet, which has been widely studied for its association with long-term health. Olive oil also supports nutrient absorption. Certain vitamins, such as vitamins A, D, E, and K, are better absorbed when consumed with healthy fats. But, like all fats, olive oil works best in moderation. It is not meant to be consumed excessively. Its strength lies in consistency, not quantity. When olive oil becomes part of a balanced daily routine, it turns into more than just an ingredient. It becomes a quiet habit, one that supports the body, the brain, and long-term well-being without pressure or extremes.